Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss how should you be cleansing your skin when you have acne. What does your skincare routine need to look like when you have acne? Let's start out with this. First of all, your skin is an organ and acne is a lesion on an organ. You need to think about your skin as like a delicate object. Unless you're advised by a doctor, this is not the time to start using harsh products. You don't want to use a harsh cleanser. The problem is not too much oil on your skin. I can almost guarantee that because over 80% of the population has combination skin. The problem is not that. The problem is most likely your products are misaligned with the type of skin that you have. You're probably overdoing it because every single one of my clients, that is usually the problem. When you have acne, you need to cut your skincare down to your most gentle products. The most important principles of having clear skin is keeping your skin clean. That doesn't mean oil-free, that just means clean of makeup, SPF, pollution, debris, bacteria, those things, while maintaining your pH balance and your lipid barrier. So in order to do that, you need to use a gentle cleanser. You need to use an oil cleanser or a balm cleanser in order to take off your makeup, and then you need to use a gentle, followed by a gentle cleanser. That's going to do, it's going to give you a really deep clean, but your skin is not going to feel super tight afterwards. Your skin's not going to be dry or dehydrated afterwards. It's going to be normal. It's going to be gentle. This allows the organ to begin to heal itself. Next thing you want to do, I would not advise using an astringent or an acid toner on active acne. So if you want to use an acid toner, you want to use it on your hyperpigmentation, that's fine, but just don't get it anywhere near the acne. If you can, I would completely skip the acid for now. On a daily basis, I would completely skip the acid and I would just do a moisturizing essence toner followed by a moisturizer. I would keep your skincare routine as simple as possible. That's what it should look like. A double cleanse, a hydrating essence, and a moisturizer. If your skin is not sensitive to oil, I would 100% recommend you getting oil. Oil is a godsend to skin with acne because oil is soothing. Oil is recognized by our skin. Oil is a singular ingredient. Use a squalane oil, use a hemp seed oil, use an oil that's very light, an argan oil. Use an oil that's very light, and you can use this day and night if your skin's not sensitive to oil. A lot of these products that are tailored for acne or even just anti-aging have so many ingredients in them and it's overbearing to the skin. It's okay on healthy skin, but on acneic skin, I would simplify. In the morning, you need to make sure to wear an SPF. That is the only other thing that I would recommend. You need to keep this routine until your acne is completely gone. So that's what I would recommend. You can use benzoyl peroxide, but not obsessively. This is what you don't want to do. You definitely don't want to use benzoyl peroxide the moment you feel a pimple coming. It's not going to do shit. Benzoyl peroxide is specifically good for cystic acne. Salicylic acid is good for acne that's on the surface of the skin. I would not recommend using either. My personal opinion, I would not recommend using either the moment you feel a breakout. You have to use your own judgment. So basically, you want to keep this routine up until you don't have active acne anymore. Once you've healed your active acne, then you can use some of the more fun ingredients. I think that's about it. I did write a book if you're interested on how to erase hyperpigmentation, which is the scar that's left behind after your acne leaves, and it is linked below, and it's all about how to clear your skin of all of the marks and the scars after you clear your acne. So it's a really good resource. I've linked it below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.